Are you ready to replace your missing tooth? I'm Dr. Violet Newman, and many people experience loss of a tooth that can affect their chewing ability or their confidence when they smile. There are a few options out there to replace the missing teeth, and first would be replacing a missing tooth with a partial denture. A partial denture, it's a piece of plastic that holds onto the neighboring teeth and onto the gums and comes in and out your mouth. It's fairly inexpensive, but many people have issues with gagging or rubbing on the gum or even putting too much pressure on those neighboring teeth. It could be used as a temporary solution or a permanent solution. A second option would be having a bridge in there. A bridge is a fixed solution. That means it stays in your mouth. For a bridge, we need to cut down the tooth structure on the neighboring teeth to attach that false missing tooth in the middle. It doesn't come out of your mouth. That's a big advantage of it, but we do have to sacrifice quite a bit of a tooth structure to hold on to onto those neighboring teeth. And over time, when it needs to be replaced, the whole bridge has to come out, of course, and things get more complicated. Another option replacing the tooth would be having an implant done. An implant replacing the root of the tooth and also the crown. So it functions as a normal tooth in your mouth, independent of the other teeth, without doing any damage to the rest of your mouth. The success rate is very high, it's 95 to 97%. So we expect an implant to be there basically for the rest of your life. It's a great solution of replacing what's missing in there, and if you want to know if you're a good candidate for any of those solutions, we can discuss it further. I'm Dr. Violet Newman from Lakeview Dental Centre, caring not just about your teeth, but about your overall health.